Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Nick, and today I'm going to be doing a lather review of Cella Cream de Barba. Show you. Yeah, this is not a soap. This is not a cream. This is a crope. And that is a in between a soap and a cream, so it's a crope. It's very soft. I can leave a very big indent very easily. So we're just going to load this up in my brush and lather away on my face. It does not take much to load at all. And the soap, it smells a little like cherries and almonds. So it smells really nice. And that's about all it takes right there. So let's lather up. Actually, let's dip this in a little bit of water. It smells very nice. As you can see, it's already lathering up really well. A little more water. I've heard nothing but positive things from this soap. I got it on Amazon for about $11. Pretty good deal. Let's actually add a little bit more. Into the brush, just a little bit. Not much. See? That's what you want. You want these nice, thick, just in between the bristles, all around. That's what you want. Man, this feels nice. That's about all the lather you need. And now slickness wise, you can tell it's very slick.
Sorry. I really need to start checking my, this is in the way. There. But I really need to start checking my, phone to see if I actually have, wrong way. God. I really need to start checking my phone to see if I have actual memory to do a full video. So I talked for like 5 minutes after that, but that's not a big deal. All I said was, once it was on my face, it felt really nice on my skin. And when I wiped it off with my razor, I wiped it off with my razor. I don't shave, but I wipe it off like I'm shaving. And the slickness was still behind it. And when you see my my shave review, you'll also see that. It's very slick. And when I wiped it off and rinsed my face off, the post shave, after it was on there, it didn't irritate me. And I remember when I did the lather review with Williams mug. Shh. God. But when I did the lather review with Williams mug, my face really irritated, man. I don't know why. I had to wash it a couple more times for it to get back to normal. But yeah, check out my shave review. I'm shaking it. Check out my shave review.